What did I say? How's that the swimming pool? Ah! What the? Who's this? Who are you? Hey! You wanna be friends? Okay. Well, is that a special fishing rod? Is that a special fishing rod? Can you give me one? Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I really appreciate it. Are you giving me? What's my index? Well, wait, the angler is a 4-star? I've got diamond fish. It's a 5-star. What's the 5 stars? No, it's a 5-star. The diamond fish is a 5-star. And it's 4,000, bro. I've never got to see those. I've got rainbow fish, and that is more than the diamond. Thank you, homeless man. Okay, I'm just kidding. That's my friend Connor. And shout out to Connor. And also, he got the seahorse. And he's on the leaderboard. Shout out to Connor for doing that for me. He's the best, and also Charlie is. And today we're just gonna be fishing. So, wow! Did you know it's better to fish over here? Oh, gee, there's a megalodon that's coming. Wait, Charlie said that there was a megalodon. Oh yeah, Charlie did say that he hears noises. I'm gonna try to be on the leaderboard. It's a smell. That's a goldfish. Come on. Wow. You're catching a fish, bro. What did you get? How are you keep on getting that, bro? No, you. That's it. I'm shocked. I'm not gonna get a fish. Got something. But this is kind of fast. I got it. That's it. I got a lot of fish. Oh, it's so stinky. Huh? You got a porcupine? Ow! Ah! I know. That's why I pretended to die. I'll get eaten by the megalodon so bad. Yeah, I know I'll die. Yeah, that I got the kissy fish. In how much seconds? 16 seconds? No, that's percentage of getting the kissy fish. Oh no, I'm the top 16%. I know it's the top 16. I'm the top 16 and you're the top 33. No, I'm just kidding, it's the fish. Let me take a picture of this. I took a picture of it. Are you catching them? I'm trying to get a fish. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna turn around. No, don't reveal that secret. Don't reveal that secret. Don't reveal my secret. Don't reveal my secret though. It's not anything bad. It's not anything bad. No, I'm not telling them your secret. Oh, it's no secret? Okay, Connor hugged his girlfriend. And he's shy of his girlfriend, literally. Connor's shy of his... Well, you were afraid to speak to her. Yes. But you were afraid to speak to her. I got a perfect fish. I got Aki. I got Aki. I know. I mean like Aki from Aki and Doodle. I know. Oh yeah. Well, he's a two now. What the? I only put kissy fish in an anglers. I only put in what's it called? My basic fishing rod. That's the only one that I have. Wow. My best fishing rod is the basic one. You look at a noob at fishing. I've never been fishing before in real life. Why are you laughing? Don't make fun of my skills, bro. I could come down here and kill you. You got diamond fish? Oh no, that's the dragonfish. I've never caught one. Yeah. Here. You're my fish. The dragonfish is in my backpack. Wait, you got the anglerfish? Hey, why'd you tip that out? All I have in my backpack is a dragonfish. Got something. You just got another. Oh no, you didn't. I thought it was a diamond for a second. And it is a diamond. Great. Why would you eat a diamond fish? It's 5-star. Like 60,000? You have 86 diamond fish. How do you know the exact number? Okay, please say I get something good. But why am I keep on getting doodle? She said, I'm a little jelly belly. Oh. It's all okay. It's all okay, the shark. No. What? What? I don't know. I'm here under my hood. Whee! Krabby Patty! Do. Pretend it's Jaws. Pretend I'm a megalodon coming to you. Mana. Hello. Can you give me a 5 or 4-star fish? I'm hungry. I only take 4 or 5-star fish. No, I'm hungry today. It's okay. Give me. Yeah. Yummy! I don't see the megalodon. You got goldfish. Chuck all here away, yeah. I'm just letting. Let me eat you. Oh, look this jet. You're frozen in time. Oh, you left the game. Oh no, you're like. You getting something? I'll tell you what you get. You got the billfish. What star is it? Deck. What star is it? It's probably a 2-star or 1-star, isn't it? That way I'm too smart. I just guess. It's a hunch. I have hunches. It's a hunch. Mr. Simon, please don't kill Mr. Vecna. Mr. Vecna, please don't kill Steve. Kill Michael, Nancy, or one of those dweebs. Hello? Where are you? Are we? Wait, I saw the Megalodon. I saw the Megalodon. I actually just saw the Megalodon. Oh, yes, it's the Megalodon. Oh, it's the Megalodon. I see the Megalodon's fishing rod. I see the Megalodon. I see the Megalodon. Oh, jeez. You have to jump off the diving board. And okay. Yeah. Go up, yes, boy. Yeah. Let's go on the fishing rod, bro. Let's go on the diving board. No. China. Yeah. Wow. Oh. Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! I have to eat you now. Give me apple. Give me 4 or 5 starfish and I won't eat you. What? Bill, give me a 4 or 5 starfish and I won't eat you. If you give me a 4 or 5 starfish, I will not eat you. Oranges are not fishes, though. Yeah. Yummy meat. I see yummy meat. Yum, yum, yum. Yummy cat. Yummy cat. Oh, no. There you go. Push. Yeah. There you go. You have to see how high I can jump. Yeah. So I don't see you. You fell. Ah! It's the Megalodon! Yeah. Nah, I need to dive in. Oh, what I stay on the beach board. Uh-oh. Yeah! Hey! Hello. I don't see him. Hey, watch this. Watch. Uh-oh. Wait, those infinity oranges? No, I don't want orange. I'm allergic to oranges. If you feed me one, I will die. If you feed me one, I'll die. If you feed me one, I'll die. No, don't kill me. Don't kill me with the orange. Don't feed me the orange. I'll die. I'll die if you feed me the orange. I'm allergic to oranges. Don't you dare feed me an orange. Uh-oh. No, I don't want to walk the plank. Uh-oh. Ah! Hey, 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 hey. My name's Jim Bob. Yeah, watch this. Watch this. Connor, watch this. Connor, watch. Connor, watch. I'm gonna tell you if I see the Megalodon. I'm gonna see the Megalodon. Megalodon. I died to the Megalodon. Bye bye, buddy. LOL, LOL. Ah! Oh, let's go deep. Wow. What the heck? Where's the magnet? Bro, come over here. Come over here. Come here. Come here, bro. You can't grab it. Oh, there you go. Run. Come on, come in the distance. Come on. Let's go under. Let's go fast. No, I'm here. I'm here. I can breathe in the water. I'm here, but let's swim up to the. Let's go up. I have to get to the surface. It's a shark! It's a manta. Why are you leaving? Oh, kind of left. Yes, I'm all alone. Meow. Meow. Oh, yeah, so. Let's see. But this is fun, bro. This is fiend. This is fiend. What a builder! Hello? Hello? Just me. Yeah, what should I do? Okay. Well, bye guys. That's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye, my fellow fire leads.